Let's have some fun today. As you cannot see me, yeah, we have the 𝗏, so you just quickly can see me here. All right. So imagine what we were discussing. We could record data here in PoseIQ apps, and then you take it to the next level. But today we're going to talk about something quite fun. You know, it might be, for some of you, might be a little bit I can't tell, difficult, but new. But let me just quickly introduce a concept. These days lots of people talk about it. RAG, you might have heard. So what it is, it's in AI and machine learning. This refers to a technique that enhances your large language model output, right, by allowing him to get or retrieve, as they call it, fact from external up-to-date knowledge. So imagine you use your ChatGPT and you ask a question. It just brings based on the knowledge that it has, right? It pre-trained basically. But if you say that, okay, go find from the internet, so if you add, let's say, search for it, online search, then that would become some sort of a RAG. You got it? So that's very helpful for us in many applications. Let's just focus on what we do here. Let's say clinicians want to get quite a lot of information. So they collect the information from the patients using PoseIQ and the like, but they've got their own protocols and they don't want to even share them, right? They don't even want to share them on the internet or like ChatGPT or Gemini like. So you got the data and you got your own PDFs or files and connected them together. So that that's basically kind of RAG. So you collect the data, you get the findings, or retrieve it from the data, the kind of like a bulk or kind of protocols that you have, and then reason based on them, and then you come up with a result or outcome, right? This is just a sketch for it. So far we were discussing like PoseIQ, data parsing, and then the clinical review, not this kind of like a general agent type of things. But from now on we may talk more about these ideas as well. So but you want to add some other things, you can see this too, and then you come up with some sort of agentic model, and then agent model, and then we get an output. The simpler version of it. So let me show you an example. So as I said, like this is a minimal RAG. So if you're interested, reach us to us. We can help you. Minimal RAG and agent demo. Like it's very simple. You start from PoseIQ, the data, some staff visualization, RAG model, and then clinical micro reports. And the way that we showed it, we have, for instance, a clinical guide, so you guys can have it, right? So we actually input this. This could be a huge number of other things, right? Your, I don't know, like PDF, different types of PDF, different types of docs, different types of, kind of benchmarks that you have, and you don't want to share them, necessarily. And you get some ideas, and then based on these ideas, based on this information, you get your report. Okay. So we don't want to go through the detail and in terms of like how we did this coding and stuff. So that's not the core idea here. The core idea here is to understand that we are dealing with not only a file or objective measure that you get, but also some other, like let's say benchmarks, and then you put them together, retrieve and augmented. Let's say, as they say, augmented, right? Retrieval, augmented generation. All right. Hope this can give you some ideas of what RAG is. If you heard it RAG these days, there's a huge area of research in this, and people are using them extensively in various types of GenAI. Okay. So we'll talk more if you become interested, and hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more.